How to set network search on Nokia 105. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can select the network search on Nokia 105. So to do that you must need to follow the following steps here. And the very first option is to open your settings on your Nokia phone. After you open the settings on your Nokia phone, what you can do is simply scroll down and down and tap on the phone setting option. If you see the phone setting option, then you can just select it and open the network phone setting option, and again you will see a screen with many options right there. Scroll down and down by going on the down option and then select the network selection option. Select it and now you will see the option of automatic on manual. Now tap on the manual option, select it, and then you are done. You will see the option of you can select manual and you can simply tap on the enter option, and then the network on your Nokia 105 problem is solved just like this. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.